Want to translate your videos into multiple languages without voice actors, studios, or endless re-recordings? Let us show you how. Off-sync dubbing replaces your voice with a new language while keeping your message intact. No need to match every lip movement. Click Localize Video and upload your file, or paste a YouTube link. The system will extract speech and convert it into text. Wait briefly for the text to appear. Set your word count, select your target language, and click Translate Script. The AI creates a natural translation instantly. Select VoiceOver or generate an avatar with voice. Use the Edit Video Length control to perfect timing. Choose between keeping original speed, stretching, or trimming the video.
Witamy w British English in 3 minutes na englishclass101.com.
Download your localized video or generate a link to share with your audience. Now you're ready to go global. In just minutes, you've transformed your content.